Good morning, students. I am very happy that I got opportunity to teach you. You are the students of Boone English School. I am Bishwajit Mondal, MSc Applied Mathematics, B.Ed. M.Ed. Today I will teach you Mathematics chapter Matrix. So, to learn matrix, first we need to know what is matrix. See, a matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers arranged in rows and columns. See one example I have taken 2, 3, 4, 5. You can take any elements. This 2, 3, 4, 5, everything 2, 3, 4 and 5. Everyone is called element. That's why you see I have marked here element. How many rows are there? You see here there is 2 row. This is first row, this is second row. 2 row, this is row 1 and this is row 2. This is row 2 and this is column 1, this is column 2. So there are 2 rows and 2 columns in this matrix. Now row matrix. What is called row matrix? If a matrix there is only one row, see here only one row, that is why this is called row matrix. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 columns, but this is row matrix because only one row. This horizontal line, this is called row, so there is one row. Now column matrix, how many column? Only one column, so this is called column matrix. So these are the types of matrix: row matrix, column matrix, null matrix. Null matrix means all the elements of the matrix will be 0. So this is the null matrix of order 2, 2 cross 2. That means there are 2, this is called row, 2 rows and 2 columns. First one is row and second one is column. This is called order of the matrix. So this is second order matrix. Here also 2 cross 2, that is 2 cross 2 matrix or second order matrix. Here only one row, one column, 0, that is null matrix of order 1, that is 1 cross 1, one row and one column. This is called row. How many row? 1. This is called column. How many column? 1. So this matrix we have to keep these elements within third bracket or first bracket. I am keeping here in the third bracket. Next we'll learn what is identity matrix. Identity matrix means main diagonal element will be 1 1 and other elements will be 0. You see 1 1, but other elements, this is 0, this is 0. So this is called first row, this is called second row. So I have written here 2. Again column, see this is first column, this is second column. So here also 2. So order is 2 cross 2, that is this is a second order identity matrix. You can denote it by I2. So identity matrix of order 2 denoted by I2, and that is equal to 1 0 0 1. And this is identity matrix of order 1, that is I1. I1 equal to this. That means one row and one column, that is 1 cross 1 matrix. This is identity matrix of order 1. And this is identity matrix of order 3, that is 3 cross 3. How many rows? 1 2 3. How many columns? 1 2 3. So there are 3 columns, 3 rows. So rows, columns, 3 cross 3, that is identity matrix of order 3. Then we will learn transpose of matrix. What is this? If A is equal to 1 2 3 4, I have taken as example, then A transpose will be, see this row become this column, first row become first column, second row become second column. If row become column, then the matrix formed is called transpose matrix. Okay, next, additive inverse. If I say that A equal to this matrix, then no, this is transpose. I made mistake. This is transpose matrix. Transpose, T R A N S P O A C, transpose. Transpose matrix. If A equal to 2758, then A transpose 2578. That is 2 5 row column wise it is. I have taken row wise, and this is second column I have taken in second row. So this is transpose matrix. Next, another example I give, this matrix transpose, that is equal to, this is row wise I have written column wise, this is row wise I have written column wise. So second row becomes second column. So if you make row column and column row, then it is called transpose. Okay, next I'll do addition of matrices. Let's say two matrices are there, this matrix and this matrix I have taken, and if I want to add this, then we have to add the corresponding elements. So 2 plus 5, that is equal to 7. Then 3 plus 7, that is equal to 10. Then 0 plus 5, that is equal to 5. Then 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6. So this is the addition of matrix. Here we have to remember, if the order of the matrices are same, then only we can add two matrices. And similarly, subtraction also same thing. Subtraction means corresponding element subtraction. So this 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Then 5 minus 7, that is minus 2. Then 7 minus 0, that is 7. 9 minus 5, that is 4. So this is the subtraction of matrix. Then equality of two matrices. Equality of two matrices. I have written two matrices. Here is one matrix, here is another matrix. So x, y, 3, 4, and here 0, 5, A, B. This line I have not given, by mistake it has come. So A, B. Now if you take the equality of matrix, then x corresponding 0. So x equal to 0, that I have written here. Y equal to 5, that I have written here. 3 equal to A. This 3 equal to A, corresponding element. So 3 equal to A. 4 equal to B. So corresponding elements are equal. So we have got the value of x, y, A and B here. Now see one sum I have done. This is exercise 9A of a book. I have given the sum to you for doing, for practicing. I have done this sum. In the book it is given that this matrix equal to this matrix, find x, y and z. So from equality of matrix you can write this x correspond to 3 equal, that I have written here. Then y plus 2 corresponds to 1. So that I have written here. And from there 2, if you take this right side, here it is taken. So the answer has come minus 1. Similarly, you can write 3 equal to 3, that I have not written because I will not get any result from there. But I have written z minus 1 equal to 2 because this is corresponding element. So z minus 1 equal to 2. If you take one right side, you are getting value of z. So all the values of x, y, z you have got. That is done. The sum is done. One more sum I have done, sum number 4. If A is equal to this matrix and B equal to this matrix, then we have to find A plus B and A minus B. So I am finding A plus B. That means value of A I put there. This is the value. And value of B I put here. This is the value. After putting, I have to add the corresponding elements. So 8 plus 4, that is equal to 12. Minus 3 plus minus 5, that is minus 8. Now A minus B means I have put the value of the matrices. Now minus means corresponding elements minus. So 8 minus 4, that is done here. 3 minus minus 5. So it will be plus. So minus 3 plus 5, it is coming 2. This is the answer. Now next sum number 6 also I have done, you see. addition of these two matrices, the corresponding element 1 plus minus 1, that is here it will cut, will be 0. Similarly 2 plus minus 2, that will be also 0. Then 3 plus 1, that will be 3 plus 1 means 4. Then 4 minus 3, that is 4 minus 3, that 4 minus 7, here it is done 4 minus 7, that is minus 3. So this is the answer. Okay, next this one is the exercise I am giving you for solving. After seeing the video 2-3 times, you solve these questions. After seeing this video, you will solve these questions. I have given answers also. So you solve it. I'll call you personally and ask you that you have understood or not understood. Thank all of you.